Pry open the decorative panel. Unscrew the screws. Use a screwdriver to poke open the buckle and pry open the panel. Priya opens the panel. Unscrew the screws. Remove the air conditioner air outlet. Take out the mainframe and disconnect the ribbon cable. Unscrew the screws. Priya opens the panel. Priya opens the panel. Unscrew the screws. Hold the mainframe and disconnect the cable. Hold the mainframe and disconnect the cable. Take out the power cord and thread it through the center console. Hide the GPS antenna in the pillar and route the wires. The 4G antenna is also placed in the pillar. Thread the line through. Connect the AUX adapter cable. Install the decorative panel back. Remove the original car air vent. Install it on the new product. Install the decorative panel back. Tighten the screws. Connect the wires to the main frame. Install it on the vehicle. Tighten the screws. Connect the power cord to the main frame. Install the main frame back. Install the air conditioning vents. Install the decorative panel. Installation completed.